Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will see how can we visualize a raster in a software called ArcSync. So at first we will see which area I want to represent in ArcSync. The area is Maheshkhali. Let's see the area in Google Earth. Google Earth is a good platform to visualize different places around the world. Here in the search option I will write Maheshkhali. Maheshkhali, Bangladesh. Okay. You see, this place is just behind the sea, so half of this area is underwater or just at the level of water, and half of the area is above the ground and it has some elevation. So how can we visualize the elevations, and how can we visualize how much area is uh, flat or behind the sea level? Okay, for that we can use the DEM file to create a raster, and the raster we can visualize in ArcSync. So the DEM I have prepared the DEM. DEM is basically x, y and z value. It's a raster that we can create in ArcGIS, and to view the raster or to view it in a 3D form we use ArcSync. So let's go to ArcSync software. This is a cool tool to see the places in 3D form, and we can use these images in our presentation or thesis paper and it looks more beautiful. So let's go to ArcSync. Here is the rasters I have. Here I have the DEM raster, I have the aquifer line, different rasters. So I will today show the DEM to visualize the 3D form. Okay, my GIS is a bit slow. ArcSync comes along with ArcGIS. If you install ArcGIS any version 10.6 or 10.8, ArcSync of that version will come along with ArcGIS. Okay, you don't need to install ArcSync in a different way or in other means. Okay, my GIS is very slow, I'm really sorry. Like, full half of the place is in the elevation of the water or in water level. Okay, and this half, here you can see some vegetation, some mountains and other places. Maybe people live here. Here are some livelihoods. How can we see this thing in GIS? That is our main theme of this video. Just half of the place is above the sea level. Here is my ArcSync. It has the same interface as ArcGIS actually. Here with the plus sign, add data, I will bring my raster. The rasters are, you have to select where is the file from here. So I'm selecting the folder where the data is which I want to bring here. My GIS takes a lot of time to accomplish any step. I'm really sorry about that. And also I'm doing the work in my office PC because the GIS of my laptop is more worse. You can see the elevations in Google Earth too, but what you can see from here, you can just take a vision that half of the place is upper and half of the place is lower, like just in the sea level elevation. But you can't know from here that how much elevated this place is or where the place is most elevated. To visualize that thing, you need scene software actually. I don't know why this is taking so much time. If you have the XYZ data, from that you have to make the raster in GIS. To make the raster, you have to use a simple tool, Topo to raster. By that you can easily create a DEM uh, from any XYZ value. You have to bring the XYZ value in a Excel and then make it a point shape file, and then from the point shape file you can make it a raster by using Topo to raster. So here it opened. Now I will bring the dem.tif, dem.tif. This is the raster form. .tif, this is the extension actually. Here you see, but you will say that I am not seeing any elevation here. To see the elevation, you have to go to the properties. Properties. Here we have the source, extent, display, symbology, and base heights. Okay. This has gone again in not responding mode. See, in this raster where the place is elevated, that part is kind of bright because high parts are bright. Here low is minus 1.72 elevation and higher is highest 8.74. So that's why the elevated place, the half of it is showing brighter image. Just the right half actually. In Google Earth also we can see that the right half is elevated. The right half, the small part in the right half. Here we will go to base height. Okay, here we will select floating. Okay, and here we will add a value, like I can say 100 as the unit. Then we will click OK. See, you can now see the elevated place, and you can change the color too. Okay, to visualize it more correctly. You can change the color ramp. Okay, you can choose any one from here which suits the best. I hope my GIS was more fluent, then I can show the whole process a bit more easily. You can just see the 3D view in Google Earth, but in ArcScene you can see the I'm not saying the right thing. You can see the 2D view in Google Earth, but you can't see the 3D view here. You can't take the test of 3D view. For that you need to go to ArcScene. Also in ArcScene you can know that which places is most elevated and which place is less elevated. Okay, this has gone again in not responding view. Okay, now select any color ramp which you like, say this. Okay, um, I don't think this was good color. What about this, or inverted maybe? Let's see. Now the green part shows that these places are elevated, and the blue part shows that these places is not that much elevated, or this places is in the sea level or along the sea level. So that's how we can visualize a dam in ArcScene easily. Okay, so this was today's tutorial. Thank you for being with me. Good luck. Take care till next time.